How to create an Instagram Lite account. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to create a new account for your Instagram Lite, what you're gonna have to do is first of all, launch the Instagram Lite application on your device. After you do that, if you are already logged into another account, then in the bottom right corner you'll see your account's profile picture. Long press on it, then go to add account, then create new account. Over here, enter enter a username you want to keep for the new account. Then click on next. Then create a password for the new account. Then click on next again. After that, you can either add new phone number or email, or you can complete sign up. Then go to continue. Then you can either allow Instagram Lite to access your contacts or deny it. Then you can add a profile photo or skip it. And you also have then you also have to follow 5 people. And there you go, you have successfully created an account for your Instagram Lite. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.